Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna go ahead and go all out. I am wearing a bold yellow color again, and this time I went very dramatic with my falsies as well. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get right on to it. Hello, welcome back you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our brows using BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette again. I am taking a Morphe angled brow brush, taking this very dark brown shade, which is more of a cream version. I'm gonna go ahead and outline my brows and slowly start filling them in. Alright, you guys know now that I love using e.l.f. Cosmetics Complete Coverage Concealer Palette in medium to carve my brows. I take the lightest shade onto a concealer brush. This one's from Sigma, and I'm going to go ahead and carve my brows. To make our shadows last long and stand out, I will be taking NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base in Skin Tone. I'm going to apply that with a BH Cosmetics synthetic brush all over my lid. The outer edges is what I want to blend out using my fingertips, and then blend the rest of it using the brush. For the eyeshadow, we will be taking Lunar Beauty's Life is a Drag palette, and we're going to go and take this bright yellow color onto a flat shading brush. I'm going to go and start working towards the lash line and then slowly take it up to my crease. I'm going to go ahead and pack it as much as I can. Usually I always set my eyeshadow base. Today we're just going to go ahead and straight on it with the color. As you can see, I took it all the way to my crease. Now changing the brush, I'm taking a blending brush. This one's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to go ahead and pack a little bit more color onto that brush and slowly blend that into the crease. Now you want to make sure that you blend the color away so it looks very well blended. It does not look straight up dark yellow eyeball. Alright you guys, as you can see that I am done with this eye look. I'm going to go ahead and work on the other one and I'll be right back. Alright, let's get started with the liner. I am taking Amazonian Clay in black from Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm taking that onto an angled brush, and I'm going to go ahead and create a wing liner today. Today I am taking Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I've started applying that towards my T-zone area and then slowly blending it to the rest of the face. For the foundation, I am taking L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in 106 and taking Crown Golden Glow Illuminator. I mix the two together onto a mixing plate and then applying that using a beauty blender. I did take my time applying my foundation. There's something about it that really calms my senses down, so I really enjoy applying this product. For coverage and highlight today, I am trying something new. It is e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer in shade Medium Peach. It is a bit lighter than my skin tone, actually a little bit more, but I really did go for the word medium here, but it is way too light for my skin tone. However, the good thing is that it was able to work for my skin tone, and that is all that matters to me. It did blend very beautifully with the beauty blender, and I didn't have to use a second coat or anything with this. I like it so much that I will definitely be investing in it more. Taking translucent powder by RCMA, I'm going to go and set all of this highlight in. For the contour today, I will be taking e.l.f. Cosmetics Moisturizing Foundation Stick in shade Coffee. I absolutely love this product. It is very creamy and it will not give you a hard time blending it out. I actually take e.l.f. Cosmetics Angled Brush to blend this out, which makes the blending process even more smoother for me. I feel like it is more cleaner way of blending a contour than a beauty blender or any other sponge. To set the contour as well as the rest of the face, I will be taking Tarte Cosmetics BB Foundation Powder. I'm going to go ahead and take that onto a Morphe brush and apply that in a patting motion. For the powder contour, taking Bahama Mama Bronzer by The Balm Cosmetics onto a Morphe angled brush. I absolutely love this powder bronzer because it really works perfect with my skin tone. I'm going to go and contour my cheekbones, jaw area, nose, and a little bit on the forehead. For the highlight, taking Wet n Wild Coco Cabana powder. It is called bronzer, but it is way too light for that, so I absolutely love it for highlight reasons. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply that under my eyes, bridge of my nose, and forehead and chin area. For the blush today, I decided to take Palladio Beauty Mosaic Blush. The shade I have here is Desert Rose. I mix them all together. It is supposed to be a blush slash bronzer because of the variety of colors in it. I usually like to mix them together and apply that using a blush brush. Alright, let's go and start working on to our lower lash line. For that, I am taking Ember Eyes Profusion palette, one of the first palette that they came out with. I'm going to go and take this first shade and apply that with the other side of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush as my first shade to the lower lash line. Taking the deeper chocolate shade to bring more depth and contour my eyes. I'm going to go and start applying that towards the outer corner and slowly take that towards the inner corner. To blend it out, I am taking a different blending brush. This one's by Sigma, and I am taking this orange shade onto it and blending the brown out. If you feel like you've kind of lost the depth while doing so, you can go back, which I did have to do, with the same brush and pack a little bit more brown into the lower lash line. For the waterline today, I chose to take the Maybelline gel pencil as well as NYX Cosmetics gel liner and smudger in white, and I'm going to use both of them to apply white shade to my waterline. To make this look stand out even more, moving back to my Life is a Drag palette again and taking a flat definer shading brush, mixing these two shades together and apply that just below the white eyeliner onto the lower lash line. I am now taking Juvia's palette and I am taking this beautiful gold color. I really had fun using this into the inner corner. I did go through all my palettes, just so you know, to find a perfect matching inner corner highlight today. I will now take this JCat Beauty highlighter and I'm going to go ahead and apply that right into the center just to give it even more pop. After setting my face, I will now take the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, my favorite, you know that. I'm going to go and apply that to my upper and lower lashes. For that perfect glowy look, I will be taking Essence Cosmetics Pure Nude Highlighter, and I'm going to go and take that onto a Crown Brushes brush and apply that under my eyes, pretty much where we highlighted. Just so you know, if you see swatches on my hand, that's because I was really working hard to find the perfect inner corner highlight. For the main highlight, going with the Sleek Makeup Highlight Compact, I'm going to go ahead and take this golden shade onto a fan brush. I'm going to go and apply that towards my high points of cheekbones. After applying a much needed highlight to my forehead, bridge of my nose, and lip area, moving on to the lips. For the lip color, I thought Bronze Metal would be a perfect shade. This one is by Crown Brushes. I'm going to go ahead and apply that onto my lips. Very comfortable and moisturizing lipstick. Alright you guys, so this right here is the finished look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up to let me know, and subscribe to my channel. And other than that, I love you guys and I shall see you next time.